Hi guys, in this video we are going to see chapter 6 of All India Sainik School Entrance Exam Mathematics for class 6 standard, that is Unitary Method. First we will see what is Unitary Method. A method in which the value of unit quantity is first obtained. A method in which the value of unit quantity. So that's why the method is called unitary method. First we have to find out unit quantity. What is the purpose of finding the unit quantity? It is to find the value of any required quantity. Then this method is called unitary method. This you can easily understand from this example. If the price of 5 articles, so instead of articles you can take apples. A price of 5 apples worth rupees 20, right? Then find the price of 17 articles, right? We are going to discuss how we can find out the 17 articles price with the help of one article price. So first we have to find out the value of one article. If price of 5 article is 20 means the price or worth of one article is 20 divided by 5. That will give you the price of 5 articles. You can say the price of one apple is 10 rupees. The price of one apple is 10 rupees means what will be the price of 5 apples? What you will do? You will multiply by 5 into 10. That is the price of 5 apple is 50. Right? Similarly, we are going to do, you know the price of 5 apple, right? So you have to find out what is the price of one apple. If you can find out the price of one apple means from the price of 5 apple, you can easily find out the price of apple for 10 or 15 or 17 or 20. You can easily find because you are going to multiply with the price of one apple. Price of one apple has to be multiplied with each quantity. So price of 10 apple is 100, price of 15 apple is 150, price of 17 apple is 170, price of 20 apple is 200. So what is important thing? You have to find out the price of one apple. This is what unitary method. You have to find out the price of the value of one quantity, unit quantity. Using this unit quantity value, we can find out the value for different quantities, 10, 15, 17, 20, whatever the quantity, you can find out the value, right? So this unitary method is really important method for not only for this topic, for different topics we are going to study. This method will be very much useful. So this is what unitary method. In this case, price of or worth of one article is 4 rupees 4. So the question is price of 17 same articles 68 rupees. 4 into 17 or 17 into 4, that is 68 rupees. Here you are having two sub laws for unitary method. First law is proportional method or direct proportions, right? What is direct proportion method? Two quantities are said to be in direct proportion if the increase on the one, the other also increases with the same rate and vice versa. Here we will see the example. What is the proportional law? If the price of 6 oranges is price of 6 oranges 24 rupees, what will be the price of 5 dozen? 1 dozen is 12. 1 dozen is equal to 12. So price of 5 dozen means 5 into 12, that will give you 60. So the price of 6 oranges are 24 means what will be the price of 60 oranges? This is what they are asking. So the proportional law, what if any one of the thing is increasing? Here the quantity is increasing. 6 here, now it is 60. So the price also should increase. This is what proportional law, right? Here we will see the price of 6 oranges 24. Again, I told you in the last topic, we have to find out the price of 1 orange first. This is what unit method or unitary method, right? Price of 1 unit we need to find out. So that is 24 divided by 6. That will give you 4, right? So price of 5 dozen, that is 60 oranges means 60 into 4, that is rupees 240, right? So here the quantity is increased. 6 here, here it is 60. The quantity is increased, so price also will be increased. So this is what proportional law or direct proportion. We will see some examples. Here, first example, if 8 book costs rupees 680, what will be the cost of such 15 books? What will be the cost of such 15 books? So here also quantity is increased. Initially there are 8 books. Solution, 8 books cost is rupees 680, right? So now they are asking what will be the cost of 15 books. This is what they are asking. So this is unknown quantity. We will take it as X. We have to find out the X, right? So here the quantity is increasing, right? Quantity is increasing, so price should also increase. Price should also increase. Initially it was 8 books, so 680. Now 15 books means definitely the answer will be more than 680, right? So for that, first what we have to do? We have to find out the cost of one book. This is unit quantity. The cost of one book is 680 divided by 8. This is what the cost of one book, right? Rupees 680 divided by 8. I'm not going to simplify it. I'm just going to keep as it is. Let it be in the fraction. I'm not going to simplify it. Keep as it is, fraction. Now cost of 15 books, that is equal to cost of one book into number of books, right? Otherwise I can write number of books into cost of one book. So number of books are 15. Cost of one book is 680 divided by 8, right? So here I am going to simplify it. 8, how many times? 8 times. The remainder will be 4. Now 8 will be 5 times. So it is 15 into 85, right? Here I have to multiply 15 into 85. I will first write 80 plus 5. Otherwise I can write this 15 into 100 minus 15. I can write like this. So here 15 into 100, this is 1500. Then it is 15 into 15, we know that it will be 225. So minus 225. This will give you, this will be 4, 9, 10. So it is 5, 7, 2, 1. So 1275. The answer is 1275. So this is the shortcut I told you. Next question. Example 2. 15 chairs cost 1530. How many such chairs can be bought with 4590? Again, solution. Here 15 chairs are rupees 1530, and for rupees 4590, how many chairs can be bought? Here they are asking the quantity. In the last question they are given the quantity, they are asked price. Here they are given the price or amount, they are asking quantity. How many quantity? Again, the price is increasing, so quantity also should increase. So it is 15 chairs 1530 means for 4590 definitely we can purchase or buy more than 15 chairs, right? So we have to first find out what is the cost of one chair. Cost of one chair, that is equal to 1530 divided by 15. We found cost of one chair. This is rupees 1530 divided by 15. Now, how we can find out how many chairs can be bought with rupees 4590? I will explain with the help of simple example. If cost of one apple is 10 rupees, then for 100 rupees, how many apples can be bought? Tell me how you can find out. You can find out by dividing the cost by cost of one unit. So dividing the total cost by cost of one unit, you can find out for 100 rupees how many apples we can buy. That is, here it is 10 apples, because 10 into 10, that is 100. This is quantity and it is cost of one unit. Then this is the total value. Similarly, here also we can find out for 4590 how many chairs can be bought. So number of chairs bought for rupees 4590, that is equal to total cost divided by cost per unit. Cost per unit is 1530 divided by 15. So here it is fraction, so it is a division of fraction. So I am going to write this 4590 into 15 divided by 1530. So we already know that division of fractions can be written as in the form of multiplication by taking the reciprocal. This is reciprocal of the denominator, right? Now the division is now converted into multiplication. So it is, you can easily divide this 1 times, this will be 3 times. So it is 3 into 15, this will be 45. The answer is 45. For 4590 rupees, we can buy 45 chairs. So this is the next sub law in unitary method, that is inverse proportional law or indirect proportion. Here two quantities are said to be inversely proportional. Two quantities are said to be inversely proportional if on the increase of the one, the other decreases at the same rate and vice versa. Generally, This law will be applicable for men and work. Men and work, this kind of problems, this law is applicable. When it is about price or cost, means the direct proportion law will be applicable. For men and work type of problems, the inverse proportion law is applicable. See here, if 5 men can do a work in 10 days, how many days will 25 men complete the same work? Complete the same work. Here, number of men increases, but number of days will decrease. Because, for example, suppose you are the only person doing a work in your home, it takes 2 hours to complete the work. Now, your brother also joins with you. Now, you and brother, both of you doing the same work. He is helping you to complete the work. Now, definitely it will take less than 2 hours. Now, the quantity is increased, but the number of hours has been decreased. Definitely will take, you will complete the work in 1 hour. That is, someone is helping you to complete the same work. Definitely the time taken to complete the work will decrease. So this is what inverse proportion law. Now the quantity has been increased. Instead of 1 person, 2 people are doing the work. You and brother, both of you doing. Now the time taken to complete the particular work, or filling a tank, or drawing, whatever the work. So you are filling the tank in your home. You are filling the tank with the help of some vessel. Now you single-handedly did. It took 2 hours. Now your brother also helping you to complete the work. So definitely it will take half of the time. That is, definitely will be 1 hour. Right? So similarly here, 5 men complete the work in 10 days. So if now 25 men, in how many days we can complete the work? Definitely we can complete the work in less than 10 days. Right? Here we will see number of men multiply with number of hours or number of days. Now 5 men 10 days. 5 men completes the work in 10 days. This will be equal to, I have to equate for 25 men how many days, that is x. So I need x. So it is 5 into 10 divided by 25. So it is 1 5s are 5, 5 5s are 25, 10 divided by 5, that will equal to 2 days. So 25 men complete the work in 2 days. So always remember this formula for this kind of problems. Here we will see examples. If 6 men can do a work in 32 days, in how many days will 24 men complete the same work? Again, you consider the formula I told you. Number of men multiplied with number of days. Right? So here number of men 6, they complete the work in 32 days. That will be equal to number of men complete the work in how many days? So this is x, this is unknown, Mr. X. So here 6 into 32 equal to 24 into x. Now x is equal to 6 into 32 divided by 24. So 1 6 are 6, 4 6 are 24. Now 32 divided by 4. Now 1 4s are 4. Then 8 4s are 32. So it is 8 days. So 24 men will complete the work in 8 days. I hope you understood whatever things I discussed here. If you have any doubt or queries, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you very much.